Well, you just gotta keep skating if that's what you want to do. But if you don't want to, don't kid yourself. Get out. Go do something else. And if it gets too scary for you, you were never meant to skate in the first place.
Damn, bro, you gotta look both ways.
Fuck up, bitch.
There's only 2 items left on the Slammin' website. That is the striped shirt and that is the anorak. That's it. Everything else sold out. This was the best drop I've ever had, like, by a long shot. I want to thank you guys for the support. Seriously, like, it's fucking amazing.
But I'm afraid to die. I don't know what's up there.
Like magic. I'm going after your bitch that she can suck on my. Yeah, baby, you know you want me, but baby, you know. Ready?
Yes, that was it.
She whipping the ass, I kill him, I motherfucking kill him. I said I really wanna kill him, but I can't.
Woohoo!
I wish for a big enough ass for the whole world to kiss. Tired of not being a millionaire.
Oh, that was it, that was it.
I wish nothing but the best for you. Hey, what happened to Travis Barker?
Oh, that was a nice ass one. Hot,
Bro, we gonna be eating. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Check out. I don't know. We can do it again.
Hell yeah, that counts.
I think that was good to me. Yeah! 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 Couple slams for the hood. First you slam, then you.
That shit completely cracked when I did that. What are you laughing at? What's wrong with you? You got fans, Bill, you got fans!
Oh shit, I thought he fell!
You fucked it up, dude. You know what you should do? Just land this shit for him.
Wait, what are you trying?
Damn. That's what Jake felt, bro.
Not scary. I'm hauling ass.
Got it, Dale.
Take that shit, boy.
What? You hit my board.
was hell to get it back. I mean, it wasn't that bad. Okay, so the cool thing about this is so many people were down to help me. Like, as soon as, it's so crazy in 2019, like your Instagram account goes down. I mean, obviously people know this is my livelihood, so like with my like YouTube or Instagram or one of these accounts goes down, like basically I felt like Instagram fired me. And I was like, okay, what the fuck am I gonna do? I don't know why you fired me. I didn't get a warning and you didn't give me an explanation why. So everyone came together, everyone was helping me. Skate Crunch reached out to me, Jim Thiebaud reached out to me. There were random people that were like, hey, I know someone at Facebook, and hey, I got access to this site that gets access to Facebook. And dude, it was like really awesome that everyone reached out. So I want to thank all those people. If you don't know, it's impossible to get a hold of anyone over at Instagram or Facebook. If you don't know this either, Facebook owns Instagram. So there's really no one like at Instagram. Everyone's at Facebook running Instagram. And there's no number to call. When you email the support, you're not emailing a person, you're getting an automated response from the AI system that they have. So the AI system like looks at the case and it does them in order that they receive them. So sometimes it doesn't get to the account for a while. And I sent out numerous support requests, which is like the first option that you can take. And then Skate Crunch sent me like an appeal thing because the same thing happened to their account like a year ago. He sent me this appeal thing to fill out and I filled that out like twice and still got an automated response where they're like, take a picture with this code, write it on a piece of paper, put your name and your username, and then make sure your hand's in the photo as well. So I sent that out twice, no response, and I was hitting up all of these people to try and help me. And like obviously everyone has a like shit to do during the day. Everyone's busy. So like I'm going through Dan, who has a friend that works at Facebook. So I'm going through like 2 people, and it was like that for every person that was willing to help me, with the exception of like 1 or 2 people that either had access to a specific website, a specific in-house website at Facebook, or someone who was like, yeah, my friend works at Facebook, I'm really close with them. So, and I got turned down a bunch of times too, people being like, yeah, there's nothing I can do, sorry, too risky. Even though, because I posted a picture of Claire, if you guys didn't know, Claire's ass is on my Instagram. And that doesn't violate the terms. What violates the term is sexual intercourse, nudity, not even full nudity, like full on, like a thong. If you're wearing a thong, that's not nudity. So like bathing suits, thong bathing suits, underwear, bras, acceptable. No genitalia, no intercourse. This dude tried to slide into Claire's DMs. He was laying on a bed, covering his dick with his hand. So yeah, like this, like laying back. Face wasn't even in it. It was just like from like here to like here. And so he sent that to Claire in Claire's DMs, like after I posted the picture. So I replicated the photo and sent it back to Claire from her Instagram.
Send it back to him.
Send it back to him, yeah.
From Claire's Instagram.
Right, correct. And then I took a screenshot and posted it on my story with text covering him and text covering me. I mean, our dicks weren't out, but I just thought it was funny. I was like, oh, perfect opportunity for some grade A story content. And then right before that, I posted Dan's social security card, blurred out his social security number on there, and then I posted a dildo with a Slammin' logo on it, and it said more products available, and like I did like a swipe up or something when it was, yeah, a Slammin' logo on a dildo. So I posted like all 4 of those things in the span of like 15 minutes, which, mind you, all do not violate the terms of service. There was no nudity, no intercourse. A sex toy isn't nudity. It's not genitalia. It's a sex toy. It's sex education. Those could have been the number of reasons why. But if any case, that kid sexually harassed my girlfriend. She didn't ask for that picture. How did I get it back? I have no idea. I just got an email. What's today? Saturday?
Yeah.
I got an email yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got an email yesterday from Instagram saying that my account was disabled by mistake. And the day before that, I filed one last appeal, and I wasn't able to find this link. It was the link to appeal that your account has been disabled by mistake. And I was looking everywhere, and I couldn't find it, and I didn't find that until I went on desktop. Because this is the other weird thing, too. So Instagram logged me out, and no warning, no nothing, and like when I tried to log in, it just said there was an error trying to log in. It didn't say like your account was disabled, your account's been hacked. So like I didn't know what the fuck was going on, and I just couldn't log in. So there were no, because if your account gets disabled, they have like what is it, like something pops up on the screen right when you log in to appeal it if you think your account has been disabled by mistake. And I didn't get that. I had to appeal it from Claire's phone when I tried to sign in. So I only did that because that option had to appear when I happened to appear when I tried it on someone else's phone. I was like, oh, that's weird. I didn't get that option. So yeah, it could have been the last appeal. It could have been the guy that has access to some in-house Facebook website that helped me. His name's Omar. Shout out to him. And then also Jim Thiebaud put me in touch with somebody who works close with people at Instagram and Facebook. So it could have been him also. It could have been whoever Dan was hitting up. I just have no idea. But yeah, I got it back. So my Instagram's in the description. Feel free to follow it. And I also made a backup account. I'm going to put that in my description too in case this ever happens again. So yeah, oh my God, that took as much energy explaining as it did all week. I'm just really glad that this is over. Whew.
Like, comment, subscribe.